Love the 2019 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.